All right, so today I am going to set up some problems for you, and then your task is going to be to um, complete the rest of the problem. So for A, I will go ahead and get it set up for you, and then your job is going to be to complete A on your own. Then you'll go on to B, which is all in the same video. I will set up B for you, and then you will solve the rest on your own. After you do A and B, you can come get a QR code from myself or Miss Lund, and that is a QR code that'll take you to a video with all the answers. So after you finish A and B, you'll come show us your work, and then you'll get the answers to A and B to check your work. So to start, we are going to complete A together. Mr. Williams is asked to buy half of a pan of brownies that is 2/3 full. So as you can see, I've underlined this 2/3 full because our brownie pan is 2/3 full. So I'll go ahead and split up our brownie pan into thirds. There's 1/3, there's 2 and 3/3. And the brownie pan is 2/3 full. So there is the brownie pan that's 2/3 full. Next, we have to split our pan in half because that is what Mr. Williams is asking to buy. He's asking to buy half of this brownie pan. So we'll go ahead and split the brownie pan right down the middle in half. There we go. And now we need to figure out how many sections did we just break this brownie pan into. So I'm going ahead and counting. So now there's 6 pieces of brownie in this brownie pan. And so we are going to go ahead and figure out how many sections is Mr. Williams actually going to buy. So our number sentence here is 1/2 times 2/3, or 1/2 of 2/3. And so that's what we're trying to figure out. Since he's getting half of the brownie pan, that's 2/3 full, I am going to highlight the section that he is actually going to be purchasing. And that's what you now will need to do, is you'll need to figure out the rest of A. How much is Mr. Williams actually going to get? All right, for B, I'm going to go ahead and set this one up for you, and then again, you will complete it on your own. So it says Serena is buying 3/4 of another pan that's half full. So let's go ahead and make this brownie pan half full. So there's the half that is full of brownies still. And we now see that Serena's going to buy 3/4 of this pan. So we'll go ahead and split the brownie pan into fourths. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So we need to figure out what is 3/4 of this half of a pan of brownies. So you will need to write out your number sentence, 3/4 of 1/2. And you will have to figure out how much did we break this brownie pan up into, how many sections total, and then how many is Serena going to buy. Once you finish A and B, you'll get the answer key, and then you can move on to C.